So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about this amazing complex question, right? What is the question? X square plus 2x plus equal to 1, and we have to find the value of x in this particular question. This will go into one of the very interesting question, so pay attention throughout the video, and I will solve this question by three methods, right? I will solve this by three methods and you can apply whichever method you like, right? So pay attention throughout the video. So now if I talk about first method, so what we will do in first method? First of all, I will assume that let x equal to a plus bi, right? Why? Because this will be complex question, right? That's why I decided to take x equal to a plus bi. Now if I find the value of a and b, then I can easily find the value of x in this question, right? So now, without further ado, let's put the value of x in this question. So, if I put x equal to a plus bi into this question, this will look like a plus b iota square plus 2 into iota a plus b iota equal to 1. Agree? So now, let's expand this equation, right? So it will become a square plus 2abi minus b square, right? Into 2ai minus 2b equal to 1. Now let's take all the real part with 1 and now let's take all the real part together and all imaginary part together, right? So first of all, if I take real part, a square minus b square minus 2b plus iota into 2ab plus 2a, which is equal to 1, right? Now I know you know some property about complex number, right? For example, if I have a plus b iota equal to c plus d iota, right? Which means a have to equal to c and b is equal to d, right? I'm sure you know this much, right? So with this property, I can say that a square minus b square minus 2b will be equal to 1, right? And 2ab plus 2a will be equal to 0. Why? Because here I have no imaginary part, so I can write it as a 1 plus 0 iota, right? Agree? That's why it will be equal to 0. So now if I have 2ab plus 2a equal to 0, and if I take 2a common from this equation, then what will remain? B plus 1 equal to 0. And from this equation I can say that value of a will be equal to 0 and b plus 1 equal to 0, which means b equal to minus 1, right? So we got two value a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Now let's check if this is a true or not, right? How will I check it if this value are true or not? Simply I will put b equal to minus 1 in this equation, and if I get a equal to 0, then this answer will be true, right? So a square minus b square minus 2b equal to 0. Now if I put b equal to minus 1, then a square minus 1 plus 2 equal to 1. So I will get a equal to 0, right? I have made mistake here, I written here equal to 0, right? But in reality it will be equal to 1, right? So we got our answer, right? B, if I put b equal to minus 1, I got a equal to 0. That means a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1 is our true value, right? But if I put a comma b, I will get 0 comma minus 1. But this is not a final answer. Why? Because we want to find out the value of x, which is equal to a plus b iota, which means a value of a will be 0 minus iota. So I will get x equal to minus iota, right? This is our final answer. Now you may wonder why I have got only one value. Here I have x as to 2, so I must get two value of x, right? But I have only got one value. So where is the second value? I think you will get your answer in our second method, right? If I talk about second method, you will get your answer why I have got only x equal to minus iota one value. Why not two, right? So for that you have to see second method. Here I have x square plus 2 iota x equal to 1, right? If I bring 1 to the left hand side, it will become x square plus 2 iota x minus 1 equal to 0, right? Now if I want to find out value of x, I will simply put the formula minus 2 iota plus or minus 4 iota square plus 4 divided by 2. Now pay attention here. Value of iota square will be minus 1. So minus 4 plus 4, I will get 0. So this will be equal to 0. Now I hope you got your answer. Whenever b square minus 4ac equal to 0, we got same root, right? So this is the x equal to minus iota. We only got one value in this equation, right? Why? Because these whole terms will be become to 0, right? So again I will get minus 2 iota divided by 2, x equal to minus iota. So right, I hope you got it, why I got x equal to minus iota. And if I talk about last method, which is comparatively very easy, third method. So what we will do in third method, again I will write out the question, x square plus 2 iota x equal to 1. Again I will bring 1 to the left hand side, x square plus 2 iota x minus 1 equal to 0. Now what we will do, I can write x square plus 2 iota x, and I can write minus 1 as plus iota square, right? Because my value of iota square will be minus 1. So now this has become complete second order equation. So I can write it as x plus iota whole square, which is equal to 0. So I will get x equal to minus iota at the end of the question, right? So through all the three methods I got x equal to minus iota, and this is our final answer. And I hope you may be clear about why I only get one value, right? Because here b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. That's why I only got one value, not two value. So this is very conceptual question, right? I hope you got it. And if you have any query, any doubt, then obviously you can comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.